This is the softest bed in Irvine. Hey y'all, I'm your girl Nelly, and back in August, I spent 3 lovely days at the Hyatt Regency Irvine, and let me show and tell you all about it. Right as I opened the door, I noticed how spacious this room was. At 368 square feet, this room felt huge. This is their 2-queen high floor suite. And let me tell you, it's plenty of sitting space, a table, and a 55-inch TV. This room features a mini fridge, a coffee maker, and a safe. Now, the views may vary, but behind my blackout curtains was a calming view of the traffic circle and the city. And did I tell you I stayed in August? Yeah, that AC stayed on 65 the entire stay. The clock also doubles as a speaker, so if you forget yours, they definitely got you covered. I also really love that they thought to put motion activated lights at the bottom of the bed. Now this is my bed test, where I free fall to test the bounce and sink ratio. Minimal bounce and no sinkage equals 2 thumbs up. Now let's get into this dressing area. This is the rack where you hang your robes and jackets, followed by the iron and an ironing board to help keep you extra crispy. But if you don't feel like ironing yourself, Hyatt also offers dry cleaning and laundry services. Next is one of the cleanest hotel bathrooms I've ever experienced. They knew the perfect amount of towels to include because I didn't have to call for extra, not once. They also included a handheld makeup mirror, a blow dryer, full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Like, they're really looking out for you. And not only do they have a double detachable shower head with decent shower pressure, the water stays hot the entire time. Now, this is how I found out that this was the cleanest bathroom in a hotel I've ever stayed at. I had to break out my OxyClean and get to cleaning. I'm talking about I sprayed the counters, the sink, the tub, the toilet seat, behind the toilet. Look at how clean this towel is. There is nothing there. I am genuinely impressed. Now I could end it there, but then I'd be leaving out some of their dope amenities like the free Wi-Fi, the water slide, the Chromecast, being able to call a valet from your room to have your car brought up. They have a plethora of things. There's also a bar, a marketplace, and a restaurant downstairs. Did I forget to mention that they're pet friendly? They have a bunch of things in the area. If the restaurant and the bar isn't your vibe, Disneyland is only 20 minutes away. Del Taco and In-N-Out and Park Bistro are less than 10 minutes away. And if you're flying in, the John Wayne Airport is probably your best bet. Less crowded, and it's only 10 minutes from here. Overall, this is the best hotel I stayed at in all of 2024. This is an absolutely 10 out of 10. Will definitely stay again, and I highly recommend you do too. Let me know, have you stayed here? And if so, what was your experience like? Comment down below. Thank you for watching.